I'm going to explain a very important internal, a very important internal. So please be concentrated, guys. Now, whenever we writing this line of code, this is Java application. Please be concentrated. This is Java application. In this Java application, we are writing some lines of code. What is that? Class dot for name. Okay. Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. This line of code. Letter connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. Driver manager dot get connection. Okay, get connection. Here I'm writing like JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate of localhost colon at the rate of localhost colon 1521 colon XC. After that we are writing like a system, and after that we are writing like a site. Nothing but password. We are writing whatever the password you have, you can write it, guys. Don't use my username and passwords. So this is the coding we are always writing. So whenever we writing these lines of code, please be concentrate. Please be concentrate. Whenever we writing these lines of code, what happen in the background? What happen in the background? Okay. This is what exactly Java application. This is our Java application. Test.java. Okay. Whenever we writing like this, what happen? For name method will load Oracle driver. So Oracle driver class look like this. Oracle driver class package Oracle dot package Oracle dot JDBC dot driver Oracle dot JDBC dot driver. Okay. Some import statements also there. Java dot SQL dot driver. Okay. And after that we have some import statements. We have some import statement Java dot SQL dot driver manager. Okay, driver manager. And what is the class? Concentrate. Class public class. Okay, public class. What is this? Oracle driver, which implements what? Driver, which implements what? Driver. Okay, in this driver class, what we have? Private static Oracle driver. Okay, one variable like a default driver. After that, static block we have. In the static block, what happened? This type of coding we have. Default driver equal to new Oracle driver and driver manager dot register driver of default driver. So in the yesterday first program, what we learn, my dear, whenever we writing our first program, we are creating manually, programmatically we are writing code to create an object and register with the driver manager. But that is not happen actually. We are not going to write. The reason is already that code is available. If already that code is available, why should we write here? Foolish thing or not? Entirely foolish thing. So we are not writing. Just loading the driver, automatically driver object created and register with the driver manager. Already we discussed this point. Now this is the important discussion. Everybody please be concentrated. Already aware about this point. Now one more important point is now I'm talking about yeah, concentrate. driver manager class. How it looks like, sir? It is available in the one package java.sql. Package is java.sql. Okay, import statement. What is that import statement? Java.sql.driver. Okay, java.sql.driver and import statement. Lot of import statements are there. Class starts from here. Public class. What the class name? Driver manager. In this driver manager class, there is one variable. See, private array list. For your understandability, I am simplifying the code which is given by Java. For your understandability, I am simplifying the code which was given by the Java. Private static array list. So array list can able to hold either integer data, student data, loan data, SIPA data, bank data, car data, XYZ data, course data, every data it can able to hold. But I want to hold only driver data. I want to hold only driver data. Nothing but driver. Driver is an interface basically. Java.sql.driver. It's an interface. It's an interface. So interface is going to hold means what? Interface object is going to hold by array list means interface implementation classes. This is what java.sql.driver. This is what java.oracle. This is what Oracle. This is what MySQL. Oracle, MySQL. Okay. So this is the driver. Where is this? Yes. Please concentrate. In the background, this is what java.sql.driver. And these are implemented by whom? Oracle driver. And these are implemented by whom? MySQL driver. But MySQL driver name is not MySQL driver. MySQL driver name is only driver. Only the name is driver. But your understandability purpose, I'm writing like this. Yeah. I hope you understand. Now, relation. Interfaces to class relation is what here? Dotted lines. Good or not? Now, this is the diagram. Now, array list is going to hold driver object. Array list is going to hold a driver object means what? Array list is going to hold a driver objects means, come on. Array list is going to hold either Oracle object or MySQL object. Either a driver object is going to hold Oracle driver object or MySQL driver object. Array list is going to hold driver objects means array list is going to hold either Oracle driver object or MySQL driver object. So by default, you know that array list object by default how many memory locations are there? 10 memory locations are there. Zero argument array list will give 10 memory locations. 10 memory locations. See what happened in the background. If you are very good at background, concept is become very, very simple. Nothing is there. People feels like backgrounds are very difficult thing. Who develop background logics here? Human being only. Then why do you feel difficult? Yes, this is pointing. Okay, now see the story. Now what I'm writing, driver manager dot get connection means method should be what? Public static. Okay, get connection method will returns connection object. Get connection object will get returns connection object. Get connection. Yeah, get connection. So before that, will you please observe guys? Creating an object, Oracle driver creating an object. Now this is what? Before going to, whenever we loading the bytecode of Oracle, automatically these two lines will be executing. So first object creator, later driver method will executing. Later register driver method will executing. So driver manager dot register driver. So public static void register driver. What we are passing? OD, Oracle driver. Oracle driver is the implementation class for what? Driver. So this is what java.sql.driver. This is what? java.sql.driver. java.sql.driver d. Yeah, this logic will available. Okay. Now here some logic is there. Here some logic is there. What is that? al dot add of d. al dot add of d. Very simple, guys. Observe. Very simple. Observe. Now I'm calling register driver method. So that method will executing. Now what we are passing? Default driver. Default driver is nothing but what? Oracle driver object. Oracle driver is what? Implementation class object. Placing implementation class memory into interface reference variable, technically calling as what? Loosely coupling. What is that? Loosely coupling. So Oracle driver internally in the background, what happened? You know, guys. See, java.sql.driver d equal to new oracle.jdbc.oracle driver. This is the background story. This is the background story. So if you are giving Oracle driver means Oracle driver object or MySQL driver object. This is a story happened. So Oracle driver will go and stored into where? D. D am added to what here? Array list. So D will coming here. D is nothing but D. D is nothing but what is this, guys? D is nothing but what? OD. OD is nothing but what? Oracle driver. OD is nothing but Oracle driver. OD is nothing but Oracle driver object will come and stored. Where? In the array list. Please be concentrate. Please be concentrate. Whenever we loading the bytecode of Oracle driver, for name method we loads that Oracle driver. Whenever we loading the bytecode, automatic static block executed. In the static block we have a logic like the default driver equal to new Oracle driver. Nothing but Oracle driver object we created and register with the driver manager with the help of one method like a register driver. So register driver method will executing. What we are passing? Default driver. Default driver nothing but what here? Oracle driver. So Oracle driver object we are placing into driver interface reference variable. Oracle driver passing into driver interface reference variable. So that reference variable we are added to al dot add. Now in the D what we have? Oracle driver. Oracle driver in the 0 location, array list related 0 location, Oracle driver object is available. If it is a MySQL object. If it is a DB2 object will go and store. Yeah, first line concept completed. Now what happened right now? Second line concept. What is that? Second line concept. What is the second line, sir? Here the second line is I'm calling one more method. I'm calling one more method from driver manager. I'm calling one more method from driver manager. So what happened? That method also going to executing. What is that method? The public. What is that? Driver manager dot get connection. Class name dot method name. Nothing but static. What it will returns? Connection object returns. What is the method? Get connection method. What is the method? Get connection method. Now it contains how many parameters? 3 parameters. Now it contains 3 parameters. Now what are those 3 parameters? String URL. Okay. Next one is what, guys? String URL. Next one is string name. String URL. String name. String name. Another one is what? String. What is that? Driver username. String password. String password. That's enough. So this is the logic we'll executing. Will you please concentrate, guys? I'm calling which method? Get connection method. So JDBC Oracle thin localhost 1521xe, and after that the system and SI, everything will come and stored in the where? Yeah, here username contains what? Come on, username contains everybody. Username contains system. Username contains system. Password contains SI. Password contains SI. Now URL contains, come on, URL contains JDBC colon, come on, Oracle colon, and please mute your system. Sorry, localhost colon 1521 colon xe. 1521 colon xe. So this entirely will come and stored into where? This entire part come and stored into where? URL. and system will come and stored into where? Username. Sai will come and stored into where? Password. So all these things come and stored into where? These three variables. System will come and stored into the username. Sai will come and stored into the password, and in the URL what we have, enter this thing will be stored. Got it or not? JDBC colon, Oracle colon, thin colon, localhost 1521 and XE. Now if you are doing any mistake, let me do intentionally some mistake. Let me give some mistakes here. Let me give some mistakes here. Okay, let me execute this program. Yes, right clicking on this one. Before that, right clicking on this program, run as Java application. Yes, remind me later. Problem in loading driver. Okay, problem in loading driver. So let me print that problem once, more clarity. That driver get class. What is this? There is no, here we got exception. The problem in loading driver means class not found exception. So package name is wrong. Package name is wrong. Now let me do some mistake. 1519. Then it will showing listeners are not accepted. See, what is that? The network adapter could not establish the connection. Server is working in the port number 1521. But here 1521. But here I'm writing 1519. Error. Now here I'm writing like ORCL. Here I'm writing like ORCL. Some other name I given. Execute this program and paste here. Again, listener refused. Listener refused. That means if your URL is wrong or based on URL only, based on URL. For example, I'm writing like system 1. System 1. See, more clarity of concept. Password and username is wrong. Password and username is wrong. For example, if I'm writing like XC, now it will showing like a password and username is wrong. Understand or not? How it is going to verify, guys? Yeah, how it is going to verify? That verification logic is available here, my dear guys. That verification logics are available here. The verification logics are available here. Got it or not? So how it is going to verify? Very simple. How JVM can understand whatever the URL we entered, that is valid or not? Valid or not? Yes. How? There is a method like accept URL method. That method is checking whether this URL pattern is valid or not. Where is that method? In the driver. So I want to fetch that driver. In the register driver, we placed article driver in the array list. From array list, I want to load. For int I equal to, array list starts with the 0, I less than or equal to I less than al dot not length. It's not an array. It's a array list. al dot size. After that I plus plus. After that I plus plus. Now I value how much? 0. 0 less than 10. Yes. Yes means what? Yes means what? We are going to get that. We are going to get that 0 value. Get off. There is a method like a get method. Get off 0. Sorry. Get off I. Get off I is nothing but what? Oracle driver object. Oracle driver object I'm storing into. Oracle driver object I'm storing into what? Oracle driver object I'm storing into driver object again. Okay. Now here I'm writing the code. What is that code? If dr dot accept URL of URL. So will you please concentrate, guys? Everybody, will you please concentrate? Now in this particular time, in this line, whenever we loading the driver, automatically this line has executed. That means Oracle driver is registered with the driver manager or not? Yes. So from the driver manager, first we are picking that Oracle driver. Oracle driver having some URL. In the dr means what? Al dot get off I. Al means what? This array list. Get off I means what? I value 0. First value. What is the first 0 index value? OD. OD is nothing but what? Oracle driver object. So Oracle driver dot accept URL. Oracle driver having some URL notation. That notation is equal to our notation or not? That here URL is what? Pointing to this notation. Whatever the value we are sending, that will be stored in the URL. This notation, and already in the Oracle driver some notation is there. That notation, our given notation matched or not? If matched, what happened? If matched, then it will read. Then if matched, this is the story already available. Properties P equal to new properties. Properties P equal to new properties. P dot set property. P dot set property. P dot set property. What is that? User. User is what? User is what? Username. User is what? Username. User is what? Username. In the username, what we have? System. System will be copied in the user. And P dot set property. P dot set property. Next one is what here? Password. Next one is what here? Password. This password I'm placing in this password. What we have? Sai. Sai will be placed there. So, yeah, this is the key. Within the double quotes key. Username means variable. Variable will replace with value. System will be placed into the user. Sai will be placed into the where here. When properties object and the user and everything will be added. Once your URL is valid. Once your URL is valid, then only it will go to username and password. Otherwise, it won't go to. So finally, please concentrate. The return dr dot. Dr dot means what? Dr, in the dr what we have? al1 dot getafy. In the al1 dot getafy what we have? D we have. D means what? Oracle driver object we have. So dr means Oracle driver. Dr means Oracle driver. In the Oracle driver, there is a method like a connect. In the Oracle driver, there is a method like a connect, and in this method we have a two parameters. One is URL comma P. So URL means what? Same. JDBC Oracle thin @localhost 1521xc, and P means what? It contains username and password, nothing but system and Sai. If everything is good, then it will returns what, my dear students? It returns connection object. It returns connection object, connection call, and finally return con. And finally returns what, guys? Con. Finally returns con. Finally returns con. If any problem is raises, it will throwing an exception. So this is the coding actually we have.
So in the connect method only, that again it will check for the URL and password.
Yes. In that connect method only, URL, whatever the URL we are passing, that URL is replaced here. P means what? Username and P means properties. In the properties, what we have? Username and password. So in the yesterday program we are passing 3 parameters. Today we are passing 2 parameters. If you are passing 3 parameters, internally this logic will be executing. Internally this logic will executing. So finally it will create an object. So who will create an object? Who will creating connection object? Dr means here which object? Oracle driver. Dr means driver implementation. Which driver we added? Oracle driver. So who is going to creating connection object? Oracle driver. This con written by which method? Get connection. This method returns get connection. That connection object hand over to driver manager. So get connection method creating an object? Is get connection method creating connection object? No. Get connection method internally uses what? Connect method. Internally uses connect method. That connect method is belongs to what? Oracle driver or MySQL driver or MongoDB driver. Whatever the driver you loaded, from that driver only connect method will executing. So who is actually creating connection object? Come on. Who is actually creating connection object? Driver manager or Oracle driver? According to this program, is driver manager creating connection object or Oracle driver? Absolutely.
Oracle
driver.
Oracle driver. Oracle driver will creating an object and hand over to get connection method returns Oracle driver object. Sorry, get connection method returns connection object. Who creating? Oracle driver object creating. Oracle driver creating connection object, hand over to driver manager hand over to what? Our Java application. Driver manager hand over that connection object to Java application. What is that? What is that theoretical point I mentioned? By seeing above lines of code, driver manager dot get connection means we don't know background logic. We don't know background logic. That's why we feels like driver manager is creating connection object. No, driver manager is not a creating. Driver manager is not creating connection object. Driver manager is a mediator between Oracle driver to Java application. So who is actually creating connection object? Oracle driver. Oracle driver hand over that connection object to, come on, Oracle driver hand over that connection object to driver manager, and driver manager hand over that connection object to Java application. See, I mentioned very clearly, by seeing above line of code, we think like a driver manager creating connection object, driver manager creating connection object and stores into con reference variable. Driver manager creating connection object and stores into con reference variable. But driver manager only acting as a mediator between Java application to mediator between Java application and Java application and driver software, nothing but Oracle driver based software. Driver based software, nothing but Oracle driver, nothing but your Oracle driver will create a connection object, hand over to the driver manager. Okay, driver manager object. Now driver manager will hand over that connection object to whom? Java application. Yeah, this is what exactly happened. So let me show one small diagram. This is our Java application. Okay, this is our Java application.
Sir, the same thing happens with MySQL driver as well, right?
Absolutely, my dear. Absolutely. No doubt at all. Java application. This is Java application. In the Java application, we have one reference variable. What is that? Connection. In Java reference variable, in Java application, we have one reference variable, connection con equal to, connection con. That's enough. Connection con. Okay. Connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. Okay, driver manager dot get connection. 3 parameters. This is the code. Okay, this is the code we have. Yes. Now what happened? In the driver manager, in the Java application, we have one object. What is that object? Driver manager is the object. What is that object? Driver manager is the object. Okay, now let me take this is database. So to communicating with the database, what we required? Come on, to communicating with the database, what we required? Oracle driver. Which database is this? Oracle database. This is what? Oracle database. This is what? Oracle driver. This is Oracle driver. Okay, and this is Oracle database. Very clearly mentioned. Oracle database. So if you want to communicating with the database, what we required? Come on, what we required? Oracle driver we required. So Oracle driver software we required. Now what Oracle driver software will do? It will create, Oracle driver software will create a connection object. What is that? Connection object. Oracle driver creates connection object. That connection object, assume that connection object is what? 1010. That connection object address is, everything is one object. Object means what? One address. that connection object hand over to what is that? Driver manager. Hand over to driver manager. So driver manager is pointing internally. Driver manager is pointing with this. Driver manager is pointing with this object. Absolutely. Now what we are getting pointing with that object means this is what? Same connection object. Two times I written. Don't we think like both are different objects. Again, what is this? The memory address is 1010. Memory address is 1010. That 1010 placing into that 1010 pointing by con. That 1010 pointed by con. This is what exactly happened in the background. Got it? So whenever we writing like a connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection, what happens, sir? Internally, driver manager will communicating with Oracle driver object. Oracle driver object creates a connection object. Oracle driver object creates connection object and hand over to whom? Driver manager, and driver manager will place that con. Nothing but con is pointing to what? This 1010. This 1010 is nothing but what, guys? Connection object. So the final conclusion point is, everybody, who is going to creating connection object? Driver. Nothing but here, according to our diagram, who is going to creating a connection object? Oracle driver. That connection object hand over to whom? Driver manager. Now driver manager hand over that connection object to reference variable like a con. That means con is indirectly pointing to what? Directly you can write like this. Con is indirectly pointing to what here? This connection object. Both are same. That's why I'm pointing to here. This connection object, both are same. Now don't be think like here one object. Both are same object here. Both are single object only. Got the point or not? So to communicating with the Oracle database, what we required? Oracle driver we required. Who is going to creating connection object? Oracle driver. This connection object hand over by Oracle driver to whom? Driver manager. And driver manager will hand over to whom? Con. Nothing but con is pointing to what? This connection object. By using this connection object, our Java application will communicating with the database. By using this connection object, our Java application is going to communicating with the database server or database simply. Got it? That's what I mentioned one point here. So here Oracle driver will create connection object and hand over to Oracle driver creates a connection object and hand over to driver manager object. Driver manager will hand over connection object to Java application. That means the driver manager acting as a mediator between commands. See, otherwise, just to Google it here, whether you are able to get this type of information in the Google itself. Whether you are getting this type of information in the Google itself. Sir, even this information is not available in the Google. How do you know that, sir? That is what research and development. That is called R&D. By open .class files and by seeing the internal coding of those .class files. Okay, by seeing the internal coding of those .class files, then only we can understand each and everything.
Yes, sir, but it's very good information.
Yeah.
Many times we have seen this code. We have written this code before in college like that, but we don't know this internal.
Yeah. That is what exactly experience. Experience showing like this. This only experience, no?
Yeah,
So in our college, like everybody writing this line of code. Which one? This line of code. But what happened internally? This is the point actually. This is the highlighted point. dr.connect of URL p. So even though you are passing three parameters, internally what happened? That two parameters is going on. So if you are using get connection with a single parameter, get connection with a double parameter, get connection with a triple parameter, internally which method will executing? Connect method. Internally which method is going to executing, my dear students? Connect method. So here I am passing two parameters. If you are passing two parameters, internally what happened? So get connection some internally. So internally it will calling some connect method. Will you please observe, guys? What is this
That
line of code? See, driver, Oracle driver dot, what is this? Connect of URL comma info. Connect of URL comma info. Info means what here? Info means your properties file, reference variable. Info means your properties class, object. Let me write info, driver info. Yeah, info means what here? Your properties object only. Info means your properties object only. Got it or not? So directly I used the word like what? P here. Directly I used the word like P here. Got it? Yes, Sharath. Any doubt?
Yeah, actually the for loop means like for each and every registered driver, it will be executed for each and every
Yeah,
get
yeah.
connect call.
Yeah, yes. For
Like
example, if
doing
you
the
load,
trial and
if you
error.
load, listen. I understand what you. If you loaded two drivers, for example, I written like class dot for name like this line and class dot for name com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. The both the drivers are loaded. Whenever both already I shown you na, I told you na, whenever we loading bytecode automatically, whenever we loading Oracle driver static block executing. Whenever you loading MySQL driver is also added to register driver manager. So how many objects are there? How many objects are there? Two objects. How many objects are there? Two objects. One is Oracle driver, another one is MySQL driver. Oracle driver, another one is MySQL driver. Now you are passing this URL. Okay. Now you are passing different URL. JDBC colon MySQL colon 3306 colon localhost. Okay, at the rate of localhost 3306. Some other what we can calling as a database name like RAM. So if you are passing this URL, assume this is one URL. If you are passing this URL, what happens, sir? That URL will come and stored into where? URL will come and stored into where? This URL. Okay, this URL. After that, some username and password we are passing. Some root username and password we are writing. Now, first Oracle driver will pick. So Oracle driver dot accept URL of URL. Here my driver object is Oracle driver, but which URL I am passing? MySQL URL patching. MySQL URL we are passing. Matched or not matched? Not matched. So next one. The I plus 1 less than 10. Yes. AL dot get of 1. AL dot get of 1 means you will get what? MySQL driver dot accept URL of URL. So whatever the URL you are passing, we are passing, that is matched with what? MySQL. That is matched with MySQL. So that MySQL properties, MySQL username and password, root will be placed in the user, root will be placed in the password. Internally MySQL dot connect method. What is that? MySQL dot connect method. Then it will creating connection object which is useful to communicating with MySQL driver. If you are loading more than one driver, this is the logic. We can't decide it. So this is the logic what exactly internally will executing. Maybe you can load one driver, maybe you can load multiple driver, but once your URL is not matched, nothing connection object is created. So URL is very important. Then how can we find out this URL, sir? Then where do we have this jar file? How can we find out this URL? And where these jar files are available? Go to your installation location. After that app, after that Oracle, and after that product, and 11.2.0 server, and as well as there is a concept like server JDBC, and there is a concept like lib. In the lib we have a jar files. In the lib we have a jar file. Let me write everything in the notepad. Let me write everything in the notepad. Or you can download it. OJDBC, any jar file. OJDBC 6.jar location. 6.jar, come on. 6.jar location. Is this video recording or not? Is recorded or not here? This is, yeah. Now,
It's recording.
database port, global service name, system or computer name, details. What? Again, server only, up to server only, up to, yes, up to server. Now there is a network folder. There is a admin. In the admin tns.name. See, XC port. Which port? Yeah, my laptop name. Either you can use the local host or port number or laptop name, IP address or laptop name or local host. This is the port number and this is the XC. So this is what exactly. Yeah. tnsnames.org. tnsname.org. What is the extension? Yeah. So this is what exactly first program internal.